Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Portmore. We are on Brayton Parkway, and we're going to take a look at the new Price Smart store that opened up recently in Portmore. So on the left is a Scotia Bank, on the right is a very nice building. We'll have to investigate what that building is. It looks like a commercial building, doesn't really look like a mall. A lot of activities going on in Portmore. There is a building being built on the left. Straight ahead there's another building being built. And right across the road is Price Smart. Okay, so we're still on Brayton Parkway, and on the left now is a new Price Smart. This is the second location they have in Jamaica. The first is on Red Hills Road. And persons might ask, why did they open the second one in Portmore and not Montego Bay? Well, Portmore has a much larger population than Montego Bay. Outside of the city of Kingston, you have Spanish Town, which is in St. Catherine, and Portmore, which is in St. Catherine, with the largest populations. So this location in Portmore will serve Spanish Town and Portmore, and that's why they came here instead of Montego Bay. Montego Bay is the second city, but it doesn't have a very large population like Portmore or Spanish Town. As you can see, this location has a lot of parking. Okay, it looks like this is a one-way, so we're going to turn back around, and but it has a lot of parking, which is very good. The location in Kingston on Red Hills Road had to build a parking garage because they just did not have enough parking. Okay, to the right they have two buildings going up. If anybody knows what's being built over on the right, you can let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. So this is the entrance and the exit. Alright, so that's Portmore Price Smart Portmore. So going back out on Brayton Parkway now. And there's a very nice building being built on the left. I can't look at the lighting. If anybody knows what that building is on the left, let us know. Looks very impressive, I must say. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.